Are you ready? Yes, I am. Are you listening? Yes, I am. Let's take a look right here and review our shapes. 2D, you see the circle, the triangle, the rectangle, the square, the oval, the rhombus, and the hexagon. Again, circle, Tommy triangle, Ricky rectangle, Sandy square, Ollie oval, Dee Dee diamond, and Harry hexagon. And look at our numbers with the touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boys and girls, our numbers are important. They are valuable to us. And we have to keep working on our numbers. As we go a little deeper and talk about our numbers in the teens, let's remember that we have to count by tens to 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's exactly right. And counting by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And blasting off. You got to get down. Remember, we get down? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off. We set that rocket off. Great job. Remember, the numbers in the teens have a group of what? 10. They have a group of 10 and then some extra ones. Is that right? Good job. So as we're looking at our numbers, 15 is a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. 19 is a group of 10 and how many extra ones? You got it. 9 extra ones. 10 is a group of 10 and 0 extra ones. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. 17 is a group of 10 and how many extra ones? 7. Great job. Boys and girls, this week we're going to be talking about teens, numbers in the teens, but we're also going to be reviewing graphing. Remember, graph tells us information. We know it's winter. We're going to be talking about winter, the season of winter, signs of winter. It says, let's make a graph. Here you can see cold weather clothes, warm weather clothes, and you see the different types of clothes. You see mittens, and there's a scarf, a bathing suit, like a snowsuit. You see swim trunks, flip-flops, boots, and you see a t-shirt. You're going to color all those pictures there. If it's clothes we wear in the winter, it will go here. If it's clothes we wear in the summer, it will go there. And we will talk about which number is greater. Remember, Mr. Alligator likes to eat the greatest number because he's what? Greedy. So we've been talking about numbers that are greater than and less than. That's exactly right. Would you rather have 10 cookies or 5? Which one? Did I hear you? 10. That's exactly right because 10 is greater than 5. 10 gives you more. That's exactly right. So boys and girls, when you're done, you need to color your pictures. I didn't have time to color mine, but look at that. I've sorted them, separating based on how things are like. They're my cold weather, my winter clothes, and my season of summer clothes. Do that with quality, please. All right, as we continue to talk about math, you are going to be working on your 10 frames and your numbers in the teens. Take a look. You have the numbers 17, 11, 19, 16. There's 20 at the top. 15, 13, and 18. How many does this represent? A what? Tens frame. So 17 is a group of 10. And how many extra ones? I want to see 7 extra ones. Remember that second number tells you how many extra ones you're going to have, okay? When you get to 20, that's 2 groups of 10s. Let's see what you do when you get to that number, okay? So you're going to color it in and make sure it matches. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Remember, when you're coloring 10 frames, we start here. Our numbers go from left to right. We don't color top to bottom because that number does represent something different. Make sure you do that with quality, okay? Now, say build it. Say break it apart. Say build it. Say break it apart. We're going to trace, build it, and then we're going to break it apart. We're going to do that for 2 days. So let's take a look right here. You have the number 16. They traced it. They built it. Tens frame and 6. Then they broke it up. How many tens? Just 1. How many ones? Just 6. 13 is a group of what? 10 and 3 extra ones, and you write the 1 and the 3. You're going to do that all the way through. Look at that model there. And you're going to also have it for the next day with the numbers looking like this. 14, there's 12, 18, 11, and 19. Again, build it, trace it, build it, and break it apart. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. There's a 10 frame, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 more gives us 14. Quality. That's what it looks like when it's done correctly, boys and girls. Make sure you get it done. Everybody understands that? Good job. And by it being so cold in winter, the last thing you're going to do this week in math, marshmallow teens. Who likes marshmallows and hot chocolate? Yes, I do. It says, write the two numbers that come together to make that teen number. So we have 10. A 10 is a group of 10. And how many extra ones? 0. Be careful with that. You see 15 is a group of 10. And how many extra ones? 5. So on the lines, you would put 10 and 0 gives us 10. 10 and 5 gives us 15. And you would do the whole thing like that. When you're done, it looks like this. There we go. 10 and 1 is 11, isn't it? Take your time. Get those marshmallow teens done. Happy counting. Remember, the alligator eats the greatest number because he is what? Greedy. Work on your numbers.